Okay, trash?
So much room for activities now. Plan is to weld up a little bit of rust I have. Thankfully, I have patch panels. So goodbye. I've got my little spot outlined there. Bam. Be sure to be in a well-ventilated area. If you're in a garage, doors should be opened and you should have a fan running, but if you don't have a fan, be sure you do it on a windy enough day where you're getting air movement, because this is poisonous stuff. You don't want to be huffing it in all the time.
Join me on the welding side.
You want to be sure when you're welding that you do small little tack welds so you don't warp the sheet metal. I got the rust patched up for now. So to put a new window in is actually very simple. Taking them out is also very simple, as we already know. But putting it in, all you need is some really strong rope. If I hadn't mentioned it yet, sliding window. Ooh, ah. So you go in from the back side, and you're going to find yourself the inner lip that actually goes on that pinch weld. Find whatever spot you want to start at, and for me, the toughest spot is always the spot that's going to tear, which is where the seam is, because no gaskets are as good as the originals, and you just feed it right in there. You don't need any Windex, you don't need soapy water, you don't need any sealant, you just need a good flexible rubber gasket, preferably new. Then you're going to take both of them and cross over just a little bit. Now, to install the window, it's usually best if you have a helper. And it helps if they're family, because that way if they ruin something, they know they have to live with you. Here comes the really fun part. Well, the seal tore, but thankfully it's not torn on the outside. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to use it because come springtime, I'm taking all the windows out to finish my interior off. Not to mention paint job, or vinyl wrap, or bed liner. They recommend that with this you put a warning label on it, because if you open the door and someone has their hand out here, good, it goes all the way through. Now I have them on both sides. You have to be careful with these, because if it's on the same side as the sliding door, if someone's got their arm out here or their head out here, obviously if the door is going to be closed, they're going to realize that they should move whatever appendage is sticking through the opening. But in this day and age, you got to put warning labels on everything. If you liked that last video, hit the like button. If you like watching all my vlogs, hit the subscribe. Come along for the ride. I'll catch you soon.
What are you doing here? Oh my God, are you on the telly? Oh, poor dog. Oh.